Amsoil Motorcycle Octane Boost maximizes power and efficiency. It's designed to improve startup performance and eliminate engine ping or knock for increased power at low RPM operation. Motorcycle Octane Boost contains detergents that help combustion chambers and fuel delivery systems maintain cleanliness for optimum performance. At the recommended treat rate, it does not harm catalytic converters or oxygen sensors and is compatible with all other Amsoil fuel additives. Maximizes power and performance. When added to 4 to 6 gallons of fuel, Motorcycle Octane Boost increases the octane of gasoline up to 3 numbers. Increased octane improves power and can eliminate performance robbing and potentially damaging engine knock or ping. Improves low RPM performance. Engine knock is especially noticeable in some motorcycles during idle or low RPM operation and high-temperature driving. Most modern bikes are equipped with sophisticated knock detection systems that can alter spark timing in the air to fuel mixture until knock ceases. Although these systems protect the engine from damage, they can also cause reduced horsepower and poor low RPM operability. Amsoil Motorcycle Octane Boost helps reduce the need for knock detection systems to compensate, ensuring maximum low RPM power and performance in modern bikes. Cleans harmful deposits. Because Motorcycle Octane Boost contains active detergents, it can help maintain the cleanliness of combustion chambers and fuel delivery systems for improved efficiency. Treatment rate. 1 4-ounce bottle of Amsoil Motorcycle Octane Boost treats 4 to 6 gallons of gasoline. Join the millions of proud Amsoil users to experience the difference and get your Amsoil Motorcycle Octane Boost today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to OILPROTECH.com and click on the Shop Now link. Join the preferred customer program and save up to 25% off orders. Thanks, have a great day.